Hey all, how are you? Welcome back again to the Tech Solutions. So today I'm going to show you how to create a bootable installation media for a Monterey, so new macOS Monterey. So shit, let it focus. Okay, it should be focusing soon. So to create the installation Monterey is quite nice and simple. So the only thing you got to do is first of all go into the App Store and download the copy of Monterey. Okay, or you could also do that from the multimedia center. So all you got to do is we go and search on the search bar. Sorry for not focusing on that. So just decided not to do it. Anyway, there we go. We got macOS Monterey. So here it is, the copy of that, and we have already downloaded it. So all we got to do is we got to just install it now. There it is, working now. Sweet. So this is the copy. You got to install it. So you hit get and you wait for it to download, and it will finally find the update and all that. So once it's done, you'll see it right here. Fantastic. So now all you got to do is you got to grab the USB stick. So it's got to be at least 16 gig minimum, but hey, you can try it as you go. So anyway, this is a really nice macOS, and today we're gonna see how we can create a bootable USB for all the macOSs. For some reason, if the internet recovery isn't working, it is quite helpful. So what we want to do is we want to go into the Safari, and we're going to launch this Safari. We're going to go into Google and type in how to create, sorry for misspelling if I do it, Monterey bootable USB, and Apple actually tells us how to do it because there's a command that we can run in it. So what we do now is we're going to look for the one that's been published by the Apple. Create macOS Monterey. Let's go with that one. Sorry, I've got to type this in. macOS Monterey bootable USB. So here you see a couple of those. What we want is the one from Apple. There it is. Support. How to create a bootable installer for macOS. Support.apple.com. Let's go into there. And we'll see all that gibberish there. We don't want that. We just want to go all the way down. Here you see a couple of command lines. So the one that says Monterey, that's the one that we want. So we're going to just copy this completely. We're going to hit copy. What we have to do in that one is we have to just minimize that for a second. And what we're going to do is we're going to connect our USB. I already created this, so I'm not going to do this again, but however I'm going to show you how to do it. So as soon as I plug it in, we're going to see that USB here. So it's just been plugged in, and we should see it shortly. If you don't see it, what you want to do is you want to go into disk. Okay, that says don't allow, just for a second. So we're going to go into disk utility, just in case if you don't see it. Could search that here, and we see that right there, and we're going to hit on there, and we can see that right here. That's our external one. After that, you want to format it, erase this, and name it a USB. So you see that, USB. And then we're going to format it as extra fat, just in case. Okay, once you hit erase, it will complete it, and it will name this as a USB. The reason why I name it USB, it's really nice and simple. After that, you're going to go into the terminal, and you're going to run that command, but it's going to automatically run it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back into Safari, and we're going to paste that command into the title. Or what you could do is you could just drag this and copy up to the volumes only. You don't want to copy the my volume. Okay, once we copy it, you go into the terminal, and then we're going to just hit that because we don't want to do it. Okay, so anyway, once you go into the terminal, you'll see it empty. So we're just going to clear it so it's nice and easy for you guys. Okay, we can see that there. So we're going to paste that command, and we're going to type in USB, which is our USB name. We're going to hit enter. It's going to ask you for your password. Once you enter your password, it's going to ask you to click yes, because it will erase the complete USB. and after you hit yes, it should ask you a prompt from a system preferences to allow the USB. You gotta hit allow. Okay, after that it should take about half an hour or so, and it will complete the USB creation. So once it's done, you will see, I'm going to terminate it at the moment because I've already done it. So once it's done, you'll see that it's all done, and it'll be back onto typing a terminal command. So you're going to install macOS Monterey. That will be, your USB will be named automatically as a Monterey. So you'll see the file right in there. So there are two ways to run this file. One is that you can just double click it and it will run it like normal, and the other way is you could just boot from the USB, nice and easy. Okay, and there are two ways. You can either keep the files or you can format the hard drive. So we'll see you guys that one in the next video. Take care.